Hi, thanks for watching a new episode from Running with Adrian. This is Adrian Niculescu sharing personal development tips during his morning jogging routine. If you are new to those videos, I made myself a commitment some time ago because I wanted to enhance my habit of shooting videos. Every time I do a jog, and this is almost in every morning, of course there are exceptions, to shoot one. And during those shootings, to share personal development information, tips and tricks I've learned from my own experience, from my trainings, my coachings, my dealing with clients on a day-to-day basis. And I arrived to the conclusion that the core information is the same, and so many teachers use it and of course tweak it, arrange it, package it in one way or the other, but the principles are the same. And some things worked 100 years ago, they work now and will work 100 years from now, because the human beings are more or less the same everywhere. Of course, in the last 10 years, using more mobile phones. When you go in the underground in every morning, you see all the people watching the small screens and so on. And I would like to talk to you about this small device eating your time and maybe your life. You know, social media and mobile marketing and using smartphones and tablets can be a good thing or a bad thing, because those combined can form an amazing tool to help you really live the life you want, because you have access to the best channels of communications in this world, and you can learn from the best people. You can see what they are doing to be inspired by them, what they are selling, what they are publishing, how they are promote what they are selling, and to learn continuously. Or of course, you can lose time chatting, messaging, worthless information. Of course, if you chat SMS about your business or about developing your own life, it's good. But if it's just chit-chat, it will not help. Of course, from time to time, for our own pleasure, we can do this. But we are speaking here about developing ourselves, about growing ourselves. As I said before, the growth comes from within. So it doesn't matter how bad are the circumstances outside, we need to start from inside. And use this tool to follow the best teachers, the best information providers, and really help your life go forward. Thank you very much. Have an amazing day. See you in the next video. I'm going now to finish my jog, and after that to go to for my next training.